on the graphs. Yeah.
I think maybe we can address that. If you look, we see that our mean is 64, which signifies the majority of women that we asked are percentages. Maybe just specific.
Yeah. You'd want to explain the graphs and stuff. You wouldn't just want to have them in there.
Okay.
So explain them.
Yeah, even if it's just a couple sentences.
And just like also, and then we ran.
Or should I do it like in the paragraph?
I think the paragraph maybe, because you could say we ran one sample t-test, and then by the graphs that we supplied, this is what we got.
You could have the graphs label as like example 1 and then have it in parentheses within the paragraph so it knows to reference it.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. And then I guess when I have to do the PowerPoint, I just take each whatever part and then put it on the different slices of the PowerPoint. And
I think so. I haven't looked at those instructions quite yet. I just looked at what they do. I think that sounds good.
Perfect. I'll it's due Monday, right? I mean, I'll do it this weekend for sure, but like I'll just add in those things, look over it, and then I'll send it to you guys, get the okay, and then submit it.
okay.
Do we all submit a copy or is it just one person this time?
So I think it's
one. Okay. All right. So quiz.
yeah.
Yeah. Ashley, were you going to start us with a prayer today?
Our Father in heaven, we're grateful for this day, and we're grateful for all the many blessings you've given us, and we're grateful that we will attend this university and we will to further our careers, and we're grateful for this class, and we're grateful for our group members, and we ask you to help us to understand the lesson and that we will be able to go through it easily, and that we will be able to do well in the rest of the semester, and we love you and ask these things in Jesus Christ's name.
Amen.
Thank you, Ashley.
Okay. I have mine open already.
I can start with question 3. Given the sorry, is it open for everyone?
Yeah.
Given the linear regression equation y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-interception?
2.
Then just be 2.0.
Yeah.
Alright. 2.0.
For 1.5.
1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 5. Given the linear regression equation y equals -3 plus 0.25x, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 16?
I got 1.
Yep, I got 1 too.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Yep, I got 1.
Okay, so now we need to open the math self-efficiency.
Okay.
Now comes the best part.
Yeah. So confidence is our explanatory, which is our X. Y is our response. Yes. Okay. I have to get those ingrained in my mind.
I know. I wrote it down.
My little thing for the response and it's Y is like, why me? Your response. I'm like,
Oh, were you having a problem when you were doing running the regression? I keep getting ANOVA unless I highlighted the columns that I'm gonna do the regression. Did you encounter that too or not?
I didn't either.
Mm-mm.
But is everyone good with how to do a scatter plot?
Yeah, you go to
Okay.
graphs, legacy dialogues, scatter. And then the y-axis is the score. The x-axis is the confidence data. The cart like 5:45.
That's mine 'cause it looks like a hot dog.
I was thinking hot dog as well.
Mine's processing. So is it hot dog because it's like it's going up like this? And it's
Isn't it banana?
Mm-hmm.
Banana is where everything's like super close together.
But isn't it the shape? Because the shape is like that. No?
No, I still think it's hot dog.
Yeah, I think it's hot dog, like Ashley was saying, it kind of just goes up like a hot dog bun. Banana would be more, for hamburger would be like long.
It's always cut. Yeah. So, hot dog?
Yeah. Okay, how many observations and the data?
Isn't it A because it's appropriate?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I skipped a question. Yes.
Now, how many observations are in the data?
Is it just talking about like how many columns there are? I mean rows, whatever.
Yeah.
So is it 139 then?
If that's how many's at the end, then yes.
It says total. I have total 138.
But where are you looking at that?
In the data sheet, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, the last row is row 139.
Oh, okay.
Wait, hold on. Mine says 130. Oh, but it's degrees of freedom, so you add 1.
Yeah.
Right?
I just looked at the data set and scrolled all the way down.
What data set? Like, there's like a bunch.
The spreadsheet. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go to the spreadsheet, then go all the way down, the last row is 139.
And where were you looking at, Ashley?
Oh, I was just looking at the degrees of freedom.
Oh, 138 plus 130.
Yeah, was exactly right.
Yeah.
Oh, where you see the total.
Yeah, 139. That's why I'm like,
Yeah.
What is the y-intercept? So we need to run an estimated regression.
So that's the analyze. So
analyze regression,
regression linear.
Mm-hmm. Independent.
The constant, isn't that the constant is it 18.690?
18.6. That's what I got.
Yeah. And 12.695.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? This is the first time that the y-intercept is positive. I mean, all the problems, the examples were always negative.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For
So,
11, I got
11.
69.469.
So did you do that in the
47.
calculator, or did you do that on the graph?
You can do it on the graph. What you do is you go down to the bottom, and for this one, you'd stick it on the end of the confidence rating one, and you just put a 4 there, and basically do the same process with the analyze
Wait, where do you put a 4 at the bottom of like?
of the confidence one, because that's what it's asking. It's asking to find this. Anyways, so you stick it at the bottom of the confidence
just to
one.
clarify, yeah,
Okay.
you'll just put it on the X one. So whenever you're doing future problems, it'll be the X on which confidence it is.
I know, is it on the spreadsheet or is it on like
On
the
the-
actual data?
It should be on the spreadsheet. But then what do? You run again?
Well, you do analyze, and then you do the regression thing, and then for independent, it should be score, and then for for dependent, it's score, for independent, it's confidence, and then you hit save, and you make sure you have unstandardized checked under predicted values, and you hit continue, and then you hit OK, and what it'll do is in the spreadsheet, it makes a whole nother column that has the answer in it.
Okay, 1 sec. I'm gonna figure that out.
Oh, so then what did you get? 69.4746 what? 69?
Yeah, 69.469. And then you have to do that again.
What do you mean? Do it again.
Well, the next question.
Oh.
The next question, you do it all again with a 6 instead of a 4.
Ooh.
But then do you delete the 4 again or no?
You don't have to. You would just have to put it below the 4. Like in a different row.
Once you run that, let me know if you got a 94.859.
That's what I got.
So you put it in
Okay.
you put it like in another variance column, or you put it underneath the confidence rating mean.
The number, you would stick it at the very end of the confidence rating, and then leave the score column blank.
Another way to try it, because this is what I was wondering the answer you guys got, is that with my pre-1, I left-clicked on it, and I did sort descending, and it brought the 6 up to the top, which gave me the answer of 94.859. So that may just be like an easier way to do it, because it puts the highest amount on top.
But you know what? I still think that the highest one is to use the calculator. Because all we have to do is plus, plus like a BO and B1 times like either 4 or in this case 6. Because otherwise, I don't know, we have to save that data. We have to click save and analyze the whole thing. I don't know, is it okay to save that? I don't know.
I was just doing it the way it said to do it in the lesson.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we all good for 12 and everything?
Okay, so 13. How many explanatory independent variables are present in simple linear regression? 1, right?
Yeah.
And dependent is also 1.
I got A.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I think so.
Or the response variable? Wait,
The response variable is like the
it's the dependent variable. So
because they're trying to figure out the trying to
The
figure out
size.
the size of the hat by the
Size.
circumference.
Uh-huh. Isn't it C? Because it's being used, the size of the hat, because it's being used to predict the circumference. No?
See, what I only get confused is are they using the circumference to predict the hat size?
So D.
The company wants to predict the size of the hat given the circumference, so they're using circumference to predict the size. So it's
So
A.
it's D. No. The circumference because it's been used to predict the size of the hat. No?
I don't know.
No, I think it's A.
Oh, that one. Submit. See. Okay. Has anyone submitted, or do you need?
I'll submit it. I got 100. Everything's good.
So it's A.
Yeah.
What was number 12 again? 98
12? 94.859.
98.4.
No, 94.859.
Did you guys do did you take the homework quiz for
Yeah.
21?
I did.
You
I
did?
did.
I think it was number 5 wrong. I don't remember which one it was.
I got one wrong too, and I didn't understand why I got it wrong. Let's see. 5 got wrong. 5 was no NP is less than 10 because it was like I think the answer was like 7.5 or something, so it was less than 10. It has to be greater than 10.
I got that one wrong. But why is it 7.5?
Because when you multiply 0.13 times 60, it's less than 10. Then it has to be greater than 10, so 1 didn't meet the requirements.
Oh. I was like, what? It was just.
I didn't get number 6.
Let me see which one was number 6.
I had 2 answers that I tried and I got one.
Oh, I got it. I got that one.
Which one did you put?
It's 0.017.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know how to do that one.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. The formula is Z equals the X bar minus U over the standard deviation. No, and then a standard deviation divided by the square root of N.
Oh, okay, that's what I had. I don't know, I guess I just did it wrong.
See here? I don't know if you can see. Can you see it?
Yeah, so you did, okay.
And then once you get Z, you have to put it in the
Probability.
yeah.
Okay. I did that, but I just set it up wrong. So I knew what, okay, that makes sense.
Let me ask you, what did you get on 8?
8?
That I think it was
I got the last one. It was a statistic.
because you only some, yeah. Okay. See, I was a little bit confused on this one too. And whatever, but 5, I was like, why? I don't know.
Yeah, I got it wrong the first time, and then I went back and I tried it again, and I put the numbers through, and I was like, oh, that one didn't meet the requirements. The N with the parentheses 1 minus P did, but the NP is less than 10. It didn't.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that was like the one before last, right?
It was the third one from the bottom.
This, oh, okay. Okay, guys.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
See you guys next week.
Edit
Oh,
that,
actually,
and then
actually, we have. I'm sorry. Say it
No.
again.
I said I'll just edit and put those things in, and then I'll send it to you guys, let you look it over, and then I'll submit it after I get everyone's approval.
Okay.
Sounds good.
And then we have just one more class,
Oh,
and
yeah.
we're done. I was looking at that.
Yay.
We have just 23, and then class 24, lesson 24 is review for exam 4.
Is there a group meeting for 24?
I guess so, because we have the, the pre-test.